Another most important theory of motivation is the theory of two factors theory given by Frederick Herzberg. Frederick Herzberg interviewed 203 American accountant engineers chosen because of their professional growing importance in the business world. The subjects were asked to relate times when they felt exceptionally good or bad about their present job or any previous job, and to provide reasons and a description of the sequence of events given rise to that positive or negative feelings. He divided two factors according to their interview. Two factors are hygiene factor and motivating factor. Hygiene factor include to work is salary, job security, working conditions of an organization of an office, level and quality of supervision, company policy and administration, interpersonal relation. And while motivators and means those factors which help to work easy. For example, nature of work, same work, you want to work, sense of achievement, recognition, responsibility. If you are responsible, you will perform well. Personal growth and advancement. So these factors should be followed and emphasis to get highest motivation. Thank you.